Hey everyone, it's Justin Trevor Winters, and welcome back to 60-Second Script School. So, did you write your logline? If not, that's okay, but I highly encourage you to write it before you move forward. Today we're going to be talking about genre. Genre is a category that's characterized by similarity in form, style, and subject matter. So there's several genres and subgenres, but we're going to be concentrating on the 7 major genres. All right, 60 seconds on the clock, hit it. The 7 major genres consist of drama, a serious story that involves a central conflict and an intense struggle. Could be a social drama, a coming-of-age drama, a courtroom drama. Comedy, a story in which the central struggle causes comedic results. Could be screwball, could be romantic, could be fish out of water, could be a horror parody, or a gross out. Action. The story mainly plays out through a clash of physical forces. They're usually plot-driven and not character-driven. Horror. The central struggle in horror stories focuses on escaping from or even defeating a monster. That monster could be human or non-human. Could be a ghost, a serial killer, a zombie, found footage, or even a horror comedy. Romance. The central struggle is between 2 people who have to overcome obstacles in order to win the love of the other. It often ends happily ever after, rom-com. Crime. The central struggle of crime stories is catching a criminal. Could be gangster crime, cops and robbers, blaxploitation, film noir, heist, or prison. Fantasy. The central struggle is usually a clash between great forces. And the hero, of course, has to summon the courage against a formidable foe. So the question is, what is your genre?